This catfish definitely had braces in middle school. Could this blobfish look any more like a wet, shriveled old man? Stingrays appear to have adorable human faces, but those eyes are actually its nostrils. Don't mistake this red kangaroo for your local gym rat. This Emperor Tamarin's mustache would make you Wilford Brimley jealous. Is this a puppy or a stone teenager? This sloth looks like a nerd on Pictures Day. This Pacu fish has a set of chompers that would impress any dentist. This horse has the ultimate Coachella-worthy hair. The red-lipped batfish clearly took a page out OG Kylie Jenner's book.